This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Judy Atari. Under construction. You are going to love this new 2-story home designed with you in mind. This floor plan has it all, starting with a very large 4-bed, 3-bath, covered lanai, 2-car garage with an open floor plan on both floors offering over 2,700 square feet of living space. The flexibility in a floor plan that you deserve, where you decide how to use the flex rooms downstairs and the loft upstairs. The first floor offers a living area with open space for your dining/kitchen/great room, plus the flex room off the front entry with a built-in pocket office. On the main level you will also find bedroom 4 with a walk-in closet, and full bathroom. The kitchen offers plenty of counter space, including the white alabaster quartz countertops on top of 42 inches flagstone Sinclair birch cabinets with a large center island waterfall feature to provide additional seating. The kitchen offers a convection slide-in range with stainless steel range hood, built-in microwave and beautiful tiled backsplash. Special herringbone laid tile floors in the downstairs common areas. There is a lot of storage in this home, starting with the walk-in kitchen pantry, morning kitchen for a coffee bar and closets on both floors. The second floor offers a resort-style primary suite with a large walk-in closet, a spa-like primary bath with room to roam and featuring a stand-alone garden tub, Korean white counters and flagstone Sinclair birch cabinets and frameless glass enclosure with a tiled shower to the ceiling. That's not all. The guest bedrooms are nice size, and one with a large walk-in closet and all separated by an open loft area and guest bathroom that has 2 undermount sinks. Don't forget the convenience of the second floor laundry room and a second pocket office built into the loft area. Other features include 8 tall interior doors, and 9 feet 4 inches ceilings on both levels and block exterior walls on both levels, trendy fixtures and decor that separates the home from most spec homes. ABALONE at Bayview offers residents amenities that include a pool and clubhouse and playground, and is one of the newest communities in Manatee County. Schedule a tour today before it's gone. For more information, review the details below or contact